This is the EPSON DS-530 scanner. Today I'll be showing you how to clean the document path and rollers on the scanner. When cleaning the EPSON DS-530 scanner, as with any scanner, we recommend using isopropyl alcohol and Kimtech wipes. We also recommend putting the isopropyl alcohol inside a small spray bottle so that way it's easier to control. These materials can be purchased here or at any local store. We also recommend using Kimtech wipes to clean the surfaces of your scanner. We recommend this because the Kimtech wipes will eliminate dust from the surfaces you clean, eliminating the possibility for any additional speckles or streaks left on the lenses or any part of the document path. When you have your materials together and you're ready to clean, take your input tray and fold it back to open up the scanner. Then push the release lever to open up the front cover so you can get inside. Take your Kimtech wipe and your isopropyl alcohol bottle and spray it on the Kimtech wipe to make it a little moist. Take your dampened Kimtech wipe and clean off the imaging guide lens on both sides until they are streak and speckle free. Use this same process for the rollers. Take your dampened Kimtech wipe and clean off the rollers on the scanner. Make sure you do rollers on both sides of the scanner. Depending how frequently or infrequently you clean your scanner, you may need to do this more than once. We've now concluded cleaning the document path and rollers on an EPSON DS-530 scanner.